Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum CS Pro users. Tutorial on question text macros. Question text macros are a method of incorporating question text into a data entry or CAPI application. To use this method, first check the Use Question Text box in the Data Entry Options dialog box. First, we will apply if there is only one language. To open the question text macros dialog box, right-click on a form file in the tree and select question text macros, or right-click on a field in the tree and select question text macros. You can also access it from the CAPI menu. A dialog box will appear with the following options: Audit undefined text, remove unused text, initialize as dictionary label, and paste from clipboard. We will go through them one by one. Audit undefined text. The application is currently not defining the question text. All the question text is empty. When you click on this option, this creates a list of fields and blocks that do not have any question text. For most applications, you will want to define question text for all fields and blocks that an enumerator will visit. This option shows you which entities may require question text. In our case, the message is there are 12 fields with undefined question text. We are not using the copy to clipboard option. We will work on it later. Press OK to continue. Again, you are on the question text macro dialog box. Now I want to use the dictionary label to fill in the question text. Press Initialize as Dictionary Label button. The message Dictionary label were added as the question text for the following 12 fields will appear in a report window. To view the result, press OK and then press the Close button. As a result, the question text now includes dictionary item labels. After using Audit undefined text and initialize as dictionary label, we will use paste from clipboard. Paste from clipboard means that you are using question text from Excel or any text editor like Notepad, MS Word. Close the application and reopen it. Again, the application is currently not defining the question text. All the question text is empty. Click on the Audit Undefined Text from the Question Text Macro dialog box. At this time, press Copy to Clipboard. Now you have all the items name on your clipboard. Open Excel and paste them. In the second column, type your item labels. Now compare the formats as mentioned in the question text macros. Name. The items names are in the first column. Then use tab or next column. In the next column, type the question text. Now copy columns and rows. Click on the paste from clipboard. The message 12 lines of text from the clipboard proceed will appear in a report window. To view the result, press OK and then press the Close button. As a result, the question text is displayed. Let's now look at how to implement this procedure for multi-languages. Reopen the application. I have already defined dictionary in two languages, English and Urdu. If you don't know how to define a dictionary in multi-languages, please see the tutorial on multi-languages for CAPI and Valuesets. The link can be found in the description box. First, Add the Urdu language other than English for CAPI. Click the Initialize as Dictionary Label button in the Question Text Macros dialog box. Click on the OK button in the report window, then click on the Close button to view the result. The text of the question is visible in both languages. At this time, we will use the second format to copy questions text from the Word into CAPI section. Reopen your application, add another language, Urdu, and then click on Audit Undefined Text. Press the Copy to Clipboard button to copy all the items names on your clipboard. Open Excel and paste them twice. This is the first set for English and this is the second set for Urdu. In the second column, type EN for English for the first set of items names. In the same column, type UR for Urdu for the second set of items names. In the third column, type question text in English and Urdu. Now copy columns and rows and paste them in the Word document as unformatted text. As you can see, the text is in tab format. Now copy this text and click on Paste from Clipboard button. In the report window, you can see that the question text is available in both languages. Press OK, then close to view the result. The text of the question is visible in both languages. Remove unused text. If you define question text for a field or block, but then remove that field or block from the form design, its question text may remain in the .qsf file. This option will remove any unused question text from that file. Example: remove the relationship item from the form design and open the .qsf file in Notepad. The question text is still part of the file, although the item has been removed from the form design. If you want to remove it from this file as well, then click on Remove Unused Text. The report window will appear with the message Unused question text has been removed. Press OK and then press the Close button. Now open the .qsf file again to see that the question text has been removed. Include protected fields means if this box is unchecked and any item or items are protected, then that field will be skipped when you press Audit Undefined Text. The questioner ID is protected in this example. Click on the Audit Undefined Text. There are 11 fields with undefined question text instead of 12. The message now says, if you want to audit the protected field, check the box and then click Audit Undefined Text again. The message now says that there are 12 fields instead. The same as with blocks. Check this box if you also want to audit blocks. I hope you find this tutorial useful in your work. Keep on learning and goodbye.